Featuring a stout big block, a tough Muncie 4-speed, and classic Garnet Red over White Houndstooth aesthetics. This 69 Camaro SS is a razor-sharp muscle car that's ready to kick your weekends off right. If you're in the market for a classic bow tie that can be enjoyed without fear, don't miss the chance to own this awesome Chevy. The beneficiary of a frame-off restoration, this Camaro's slick Garnet Red profile is the product of a lot of time spent sweating the details. From its solid panels to its straight stripes, every inch of this former stoplight king displays craftsmanship that's nothing short of immaculate. Not surprisingly, every one of the car's seams has been aligned to better than factory fit. And when you step close to its mirror-like body, you'll find flat surfaces that are a product of years of easy miles and generations of immaculate care. Inside, you'll find a fully restored White Houndstooth interior that's one of the most stylish cockpits to ever roll out of a GM design studio. The seats feel as comfortable as the day they left the showroom. A straight and crack-free dash hangs an optional tachometer and modern audio above Deluxe wood trim. A factory console anchors bright wood trim around a chrome Hurst shifter and Chevrolet's well-known accessory gauges. And a satin-spoked steering wheel laps a red, white, and blue horn button. If you wanted to factory order a top-of-the-line Camaro in 1969, you had one option: 396 cubic inches of proven Detroit iron. That rowdy big block slings torque through a tough Muncie 4-speed, which spins a familiar 12-bolt axle. In summary, this awesome Supersport represents classic American muscle at its very finest, combining stunning design with excellent performance. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.